Today, I have an industry veteran with almost 3 decades of experience in the energy sector. I welcome Mr. Sunil Thamaran, VP and Managing Director, Enphase Energy. Welcome, Sunilji.
Hi, thank you, Hamid. Thank you for hosting me here, and it is a pleasure to talk to you today.
Honors are ours, sir. Sunilji, Enphase being the apex brand in microinverters worldwide. So, what are the organization's plans in India?
Okay, so it's a very good question. So India is obviously strategically very important for us. First of all, we are already here with a lot of focus on product development, manufacturing, and also providing design services to our customers from India. And approximately 60% of Enphase's global headcount is now in India, and we are continuing to grow rapidly here. And I think the 60% will become 70%, 80% in future. Secondly, if you look at it, India is actually one of the largest solar market in the world, and we are definitely looking to establish as a major player on the premium segment here. But this market is obviously very different from compared to what we see in North America or what we see in Europe, what we see in Australia, etc. But and more than 70% of Indian solar market is actually captured by low-cost players who are unable to offer long-term reliable solutions. So we are here actually to also, while working on product development and manufacturing, we are also here to capture that premium segment here and actually in an attempt to basically transform this market overall. Actually. So very important for us.
Thank you so much. We definitely would look forward to have more of Enphase in India.
Yeah.
So, how does Sunil outline or review the micro inverter market in India?
Well, Enphase microinverters comes with many differentiated values. When I say differentiated values, I mean those are core to our product offering and compared to any other kind of inverter that you can see. First of all, they perform with better efficiency, and then they are very highly reliable. To the point that we actually, you can actually buy Enphase inverters with 25 years of warranty in India, and they are very safe from a system perspective. Enphase systems are extremely safe compared to any other inverter systems, and they're very simple to install and maintain. So these values are something that we always differentiate with, and they along with the power of distributed architecture makes us very suitable for a market like India. And we, if you look at it, we can offer solutions as small as one panel with one inverter with a 300 to 400 watt solution, which will find its way in places like rural India where people can only afford that much, but actually such a solution can just transform their life. So we are actually looking at India as a very premium market for and premium and reliable market for Enphase microinverters. And over the last 2 years or so, we've been working on developing this market and our brand and our positioning as a premium company. We are not here to compete on price, and I will make it that very clear. But rather, we will actually transform this sector with premium solutions that will provide the best experience to the customers, and customers will actually then come to us and they'll ask for Enphase systems. So our focus will be to partner with premium players like in the ecosystem, like the let's say premium builders, premium installers, and even in the premium system integrators. And that will be our play here.
So there's a huge market for the microinverters in India in the coming times then.
It is. I mean, there's a huge market, and from whatever the work we have done, our team has done in India in the over last 12 months or so, we are actually seeing that. We are seeing partners coming to us, we are seeing customers coming to us, and we have actually started, or we are able to actually forecast our positioning here on a quarterly basis now, which was not the case before.
Great. Thanks. So, Sunilji, now the government being very bullish about the clean energy in India, how do you see it favoring you?
Well, I think government has been, very favorable in this sector, overall in the energy sector, as you see. And for us alone, like for example, a couple of months ago, we had a meeting, our team, and I was in that meeting. We had a meeting with the MNRE, team to talk about the advanced manufacturing and the technology solutions that we have. And this, when we presented our solutions, our microinverters and our plants and our manufacturing, and what are we going to do with the storage solutions, etc. MNRE was very impressed, and they assured all support to us, in terms of growing this market. They understood that we are a premium solution, not like the other low-cost players, but they actually saw that we we have solutions that can actually transform the sector and actually make the sector look very good. So some of the key initiatives that we've seen are, like, for example, there are tenders now coming up with requirements specifying more reliable products like a microinverter. There are tenders which actually specifies microinverters as the solution that they're looking for. And the next thing is, if you look at Enphase microinverter, we are now BIS certified, which is a big achievement for us, and it was a good recognition for us. And I'm actually very happy to say that MNRE actually supported us in getting that recognition in the country. And then, as you know, we also have a manufacturing partner in India. So we are manufacturing our microinverters from Chennai, and we are exporting that to the global market. And it is actually one of the most advanced automated plant that we have, across the world. And with that, and with the recent increase in basic customs duty on inverters that are being imported to the country, we will be able to, at some point in time, very, very soon, we'll be able to supply the Indian market with our microinverters being produced from that plant, which will help us a lot on there will not be duty, and it will help us a lot on being able to compete in this market much better. So yeah, so the government has been very, very favorable to us in terms of technology recognition, in terms of approvals, and in terms of encouraging us to do the manufacturing here and giving us the benefits.
Right, sir. So the manufacturing in India also goes with the vision of Make in India then.
Yeah, it is actually part of the Make in India vision. Yes.
Great.
And again, I think we keep saying that it is actually the most advanced and the best plant that we have across the world now.
Wow. Given a chance, we would definitely want to come there and have a visit, sir. Yeah. How is Enphase, what is Enphase doing to skill the manpower requirements, sir?
Okay. So first of all, I think in terms of, if you look at the engineering manpower, as I mentioned earlier, we are very happy with the kind of engineering and business management talent that we are able to attract in this country, in this particular, renewable energy area. A lot of people are actually coming to Enphase because, renewable is obviously a very, very, sensitive and emotional topic for many people, and actually people want to work in that area. So that's one good thing. So we don't have an issue in attracting talent from, top institutes. We hire from IITs, NITs, IIMs, and we don't see an issue there. On the other side, on the installer side, if you look at what we see is that we can do a lot in terms of improving the quality of the work on the roof. In rooftop solar, one of the biggest problems that we face is that the quality of installation, the quality of workmanship, the quality of service people provide are not really great. I mean, they don't meet the expectations yet. So that is where a company like us actually can do much better in terms of training the installers, selecting them, making sure that they have quality mindset, etc. So we believe this has not been happening because OEMs like Enphase has not put in much effort in the past in terms of training the workforce and creating that workforce. What Enphase is doing is we are taking it very seriously because we believe that the quality and support are two major influential factors, which will help us win here. So we have a program called Enphase Installer Network, with which what we are doing is we are looking to recruit thousands of installers in the country and train them to do high quality work. And we run weekly training programs even today. We run weekly training programs and webinars to improve the general awareness and skills in this area. Actually, a lot of people are participating. Another area we are investing heavily is on our digital platform. So India actually is very advanced in terms of e-commerce and digital. So we are actually also looking for these hundreds of small installers who may not be able to invest a lot in digital platforms and creating their own platform. I mean, they can onboard with us, they can partner with us, and then we are indirectly giving them an ability to go digital with us. So as part of that installer network, we will onboard them, we will train them, we will provide them business leads through digital platform. And in that process, what we are doing is we are also making them digitally capable and having them participate in our transformation process, which will be good for them. Thank you.
These are great initiatives taken by the organizations, Sunilji. Sunilji, so what does an individual require to be part of the dealer distribution network of Enphase? Okay, I'm sure a lot of people would want to know this thing, so I thought I'll just have this question.
Yeah, so I think I've been talking a lot about premium mindset and quality, reliability, etc. Right? I think the first and foremost is the ability to think premium in this segment, and that desire to transform this market with advanced solutions. So whenever we recruit installers or distribution partners or even employees, right? I mean, sales executives, The thing that we check is, do you have that mindset of selling premium, or actually, are you going to talk to us only about the price? And that's the differentiation we need. We need people to be able to think premium and have the desire and passion to transform this market with advanced solutions like what we have. And for example, our solutions are now, we have about 60% market share in the US, North America, and we are the leading microinverter solution provider there. And we are continuing to grow the market share. And then we are now growing in Europe, we're growing in Australia. So there is the proof out there that the premium solutions are going to transform this segment. We would need people to come forward and lead this transformation for India also and partner with us. That's the first thing. The second thing is, there should also be the ability and interest in going digital, because in India, one key thing that we're doing is we want to do a lot of digital transformation in India. We want to actually provide experience to customers through our digital platforms. So one of the things is that we want to make the buying and installing solar a seamless, very simple experience for people. Today, a lot of people don't want to do it because it's complex and you need to apply it to the utility company. Then people will come and they'll take a number of days to install. They climb on the roof. You don't know when that is going to finish, etc. That has been a problem actually in the country. We want to change that by having high quality installers who will actually, have service levels that are, capable of transforming this entire installation experience. People can come on one day and then finish that day and go, and then commission the system next day. That's the level of experience we want to provide, and we want to provide that through our digital platform. So like, for example, you can order the system online. You can see where the system is. You can see the shipping status. You can see who is the installer who is going to pair with you. You can actually schedule a meeting with them through our platform. They'll come, install, they'll commission it, they'll enable the mobile application platform for your phone and web, and then they'll go. And then the system is yours, and you'll see everything that the system is doing on the app, on the platform that you have on the mobile phone. That's the kind of experience that we want to provide. So it's all digital. So we want these people who are partnering with us to have that passion and ability to actually think digital and have the interest to come forward in transforming the market in that fashion. And then obviously we will look for having the market experience and the rooftop installation experience, and then also the financial stability, which is very important to buy and hold inventory. Because what we have seen in the past is that if we have inventory, then the business success is very, very quick. If you don't have inventory, then customers will go to some other competitor. They don't want to wait. They lose interest, etc. So that financial stability also is very important in a country like India, where people should have the ability to buy and hold inventory for us.
So today, now we as Enphase are ready to provide to the world. Now people have to come forward and they have to take the best out of this initiative now.
Yes, they have to. Yes.
Yes.
And we are here to transform, because we can see we have about 1,100 employees in India now, and that's 60% of the workforce. So we are here to stay. It's not like other companies who will come here and put something and go away. You can get the customer support live because we have customer support team here in India. So we are here to stay, and that the next thing that we're going to do is to transform this market with high quality solutions.
You spent 3 decades in the industry. How do you see your journey all this while?
So yes, I mean, my first part of my industry has been with the semiconductor engineering. I was a chip designer and actually designed chips for memory solutions and all that. And then what happened is, at some time, about 6-7 years ago, I decided to make a change, and I saw that this energy industry is something that actually is niche and growing, which was the case 25 years ago when I joined semiconductor industry. So I saw another opportunity here to actually transform, and I saw some of my past colleagues and mentors going into this area, and they were actually thinking that we should all join together and do something different at this time. That's how I came into this industry, and it's been really great transformational journey for me, because applying whatever I learned in my semiconductor engineering, which is a very extremely technical, disciplined area to work, applying that into this area was actually very important, and that is how we saw that the technology play and the discipline in this industry is actually something that will transform this industry, and that's very much required. Otherwise, it's completely unorganized, and there's no discipline, no quality, no thinking about quality. People put something and go away, etc. So that's the thing that we are trying to change here. Basically, the discipline, the quality, the reliability, and the awareness. Actually. So my background as a semiconductor professional actually helped me to do that in this particular industry, and I'm actually really enjoying it now.
Great, sir. Great. So now we've known Sunil that he's a workaholic and he's been into the system from past 26-30 years. And so we would want to know the other side of Sunil as well. So when Sunil is not at work, when he finds a little time for himself, what is his passion? What is his hobby? What does he like to do?
Well, the most important thing is I think I find time to cook. Actually, I want to try different dishes and I get into the kitchen, many times. And nowadays, because we are working from home, I spend a lot of time there. So that's
That's
one thing.
nice.
And the second thing is also, I like, hearing music, and I've been a big music fan all the way. And then I play some music and take some time and, sit quiet and listen to some music. Those are two things that I do. And then, when we are not in lockdown, I find time to go and meet friends and talk about what is going on the family side and what is going on the business side. We talk about both, I think.
That's nice. That's nice. So now we know that when you're not providing energy to the world, you are catering to the taste buds of the family.
Yes, I do that. And then sometimes when I have a small gathering at house, I make it a point to cook some dishes on my own, so that it's not just for the family, it's also for the friends.
Great, sir. Great. It was lovely talking to you, Sunilji, and we wish you all the best and all the best to Team Enphase also. And we look forward to connect more often with you on our Master Talks and on our other forums. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yes, thank you, Amit. Thank you for this time, and thank you for hosting me here. And very nice talking to you. Thank you.